Hey everybody, Glenn Hausman here of No Vacancy News, broadcasting from the high-tech show floor. I'm at booth 919 with the good folks over at Beekeeper. The reason why I'm here today is because I know you're all struggling out there with the super rising costs of labor. But even worse than that is the potential for your employees to go down the street to work at another hotel. How do you keep employees happy? How do you keep them engaged? That's where Connie Rheams of Beekeeper comes in. What are you doing, Connie?
We are focused on that employee experience. We're focused on providing a single hub that allows you to communicate with every employee,
Right.
not just your managers, but down to the housekeeper. Every single employee is part of this communication tool that's real time, and
Right.
it's actually modern, and it's not a bulletin board.
Right, and not only that, but it's about fostering a real sense of community for the folks within your workplace. Now, the really cool thing is it works on an app. You don't even have to supply them with a lot of hardware in order to bring everybody together.
That's right. There's no investment on hardware. The employees put it on their own device, and we're really tackling that turnover
Yep.
issue and that tight labor market that we have right now. Because it's, as we were talking about, it's $4,000 to hire, train, and uniform a new employee, and tight labor market. Why not keep those employees, invest in them, and create a better
Right.
experience for the guest ultimately, too?
Heck, the AHLA says there's nearly 1 million jobs in hospitality that are going to be open and available over the next 10 years, making it even harder for you to find those employees. So you want to keep them, you want to engage them, you want to make them happy, and Beekeeper is helping out. Connie, how can we find you?
Come here to our booth at 919 here at High Tech, or come to beekeeper.io. We're happy to talk to you.
All right, beekeeper.io. That's for you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with another great episode of No Vacancy News very soon.
Thanks, Glenn.